Hello, taco lovers. Today I'm going to show you 4 ways to use taco seasoning to change up your Taco Tuesdays. First is the instructions you'll find on the package for pan-cooked taco meat. Okay, this method calls for browning the meat, then adding seasoning and water to simmer it. Next, in terms of ease, is using the seasoning as a dry rub and grilling the meat. So I've got chicken that I'm going to be using for this experiment today. So here we go with this as a dry rub here. Now, if you prefer a wet marinade, for every 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning, you can add 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of vinegar to make a marinade instead. Lastly, we're going to go ahead and add citrus juice into the seasoning to make more of a paste. You just saw 4 different ways to use taco seasoning to spice up your Taco Tuesday. And here's the cool thing. Adding variety in the kitchen isn't just about flavor, it's also good for your well-being. Our brains thrive on novelty. Trying new techniques, new textures, and new flavors creates little sparks of curiosity that help break up routine, lower stress, and make everyday life feel more exciting. And just like switching out your taco seasoning method brings out different depths of flavor, switching up patterns brings out different depths of you. So consider this your reminder. Adding variety isn't just flavor, it's nourishment. It keeps your mind flexible, your creativity flowing, and your life just a little more seasoned.